everyone, welcome to Pinays Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pork sisig. Here are the ingredients you need for this recipe. You can also find these ingredients in the description below. First thing we need to do is boil our pork belly in water until it's fully cooked. This may take about an hour to an hour and a half. Once your pork is fully cooked and it's cool enough to handle, you can start slicing them into half an inch thick. Lay them all on a drying rack and air dry them for 30 minutes to an hour. When frying, make sure that you have the lid on to protect yourself from the splash of oil. This is a really crucial detail that you don't want to miss. Now you can slowly submerge your pork belly into the oil, and please be careful in this step. And you can just leave it frying until everything is golden brown. If you want to bake this, it's fine too. You can set your oven to 350 and bake your pork to 35 to 40 minutes. I just like it frying because I find it more crispy when frying than baking. When your pork is cool enough to handle, you can start chopping them into pieces. I like mine chopped up into small pieces. I just like it that way, but it's up to you. If you want it bigger size, that's fine too. Now we're gonna start assembling our sisig. I'm using cast iron skillet here because sisig in the Philippines is usually served in a hot plate. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil and then I'm gonna add onions and cook this until it's translucent. Now I'm gonna add my garlic, and this is a medium-high heat. After about 2 minutes of cooking the onions and the garlic, you can add your chopped pork belly. Now we can start adding our condiments. First is the soy sauce. I am using a Filipino soy sauce, but you can use any soy sauce you have. Then we can add the vinegar. I'm using a chili-infused vinegar for this because I don't have red chilies. But if you have red chilies, you can use white vinegar and then you can put chopped up red chilies. I found this Maggi sauce in my cooler, so I'm just adding that up, but this is optional. Now you can add your lemon juice. I have a concentrated calamansi juice in my fridge, so I'm using that. And then you can just stir everything together until it's fully incorporated. Once all the condiments are absorbed and you see that the oil is starting to come out, you can add your mayonnaise and then stir them all together. Now you can start seasoning it. I'm just gonna season it with black pepper because I put a lot of soy sauce in there, so make sure to taste it first before adding salt. Now you can start adding your egg in the mix. Just break a whole egg in there And then once the white part is starting to cook, just stir everything together until it's done. You can finish them off by garnishing it with green onion. And this is our pork sisig, everyone. That's it. You can eat it with rice or you can enjoy it as is. Thank you again for watching. This is Krista of Pinays Kitchen, bringing flavors of the Pacific to your table. Bye, everyone!